Hello everyone, my name is Venkat. I'm from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. I have done my B.Tech CSC in Vellore Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh. Um, Actually, I have joined Jspiders JNTU in the month of April, just 2 months back, and right now I got placed in a company for the package of 4 LPA. And the course I've taken is Python full stack, and my trainers were Charisma ma'am for SQL, and for Python Sagar sir, and WebTech was Satyam sir. All these trainers are actually very knowledgeable and very interactive, especially Sagar sir and Satyam sir and Charisma ma'am, all of them. They will make the class very fun and interactive so that each and every person is involved in the course. For actually, you may think SQL and Python and WebTech are all a lot of coding and a theory based maybe, but they'll teach you everything in a manner that you don't get bored at all. So I think I would recommend this Jspiders JNTU to everyone who wants to join and who wants to crack into this IT industry. I think this is the best place for you to join.